Welcome to this video on my channel, Garage Robotics Studio. Today I will show you my latest project, the Neural Network Camera. This is an all-in-one device I built to make it easier for anyone to create and test object-identifying neural networks using a Raspberry Pi. The idea for this project came from the fact that data is power, and many venture capital companies are built on that premise. But creating neural networks often involves the hassle of labeling images. This camera lowers that barrier. Here in Miami, we have tons of peacocks and iguanas roaming around, some of them pretty large. Imagine a parent wanting to set up an alert system to know when one is on their property. This device could help create a neural network for that, or for a bird lover, it could help identify robins. A tourist might use it to spot different buildings in Italy. You get the idea. It's about making AI more accessible. What does it consist of? The main components are a Raspberry Pi 5, a Raspberry Pi Camera Module 3, a Raspberry Pi AI hat for acceleration, a 3.5-inch LCD touch display, a battery backup for portability, and a 3D printed case to hold it all together. How does it work? It's designed as a portable, all-in-one tool to help build neural networks. First, the Raspberry Pi displays a live image from the camera on the LCD screen. The user presses capture to take a photo. Then, using a stylus on the touch display, you draw a box around the object you want to identify and label it. This gets saved to either a test or validation folder. Next, with a single click, the Python software automates the conversion of those images and labels into COCO formatted files, which are the standard for training object detection models. From there, it's a simple setup to upload them to Google Colab to train the neural network. Once trained, you can download the TF-Lite file and deploy it right back onto the same camera for testing. For example, point it at a bird and it can tell you if it's a robin. Why the Raspberry Pi? It's the perfect platform. The camera integrates seamlessly, making image acquisition easy. You can create test and validation folders right on the Pi and convert them into COCO format. The Raspberry Pi 5, especially with the AI hat, is powerful enough to run the deployed neural network. Its small size and low power make the whole thing highly portable. So, does it function well? Yes, though with some limitations. The biggest challenge is the 3.5-inch display, which makes precise labeling a bit tricky. So I'll be adding a zoom function soon to fix that. Now let's end on a positive note. It successfully captures, labels, formats data for training, and deploys TF-Lite models, all on a single device. I learned a ton about integrating hardware with machine learning software, and it is real-world utility. At the very least, it's a very fantastic AI project. Here's a quick sneak peek for the next video on hydroponics and AI. Thanks for watching. If you want to see my next projects, please like and subscribe.